Jacquard weaving average weft density calculation. Designs with multiple weaving zones. This is a sample of a Jacquard fill coupe fabric design, which includes two different weaving sections. Section A has a weft density of 20 picks per centimeter with a plain weave, and Section B has the J letter monogram design. The design starts with Section A, which forms the ground fabric with a plain weave with 2 picks which are running on the first and second fingers of the weft selector. Section A starts from the first pick and ends at the 400th pick. The Section B starts from the 401st pick. On the left-hand side, you'll notice that in this zone, we have 2 picks running on the 3rd and 4th fingers, and we have the regulator hook is in play on the 24th hook. The 3rd pick creates the ground fabric with a plain weave on this zone, and the 4th pick creates the J monogram design. If you take a closer look on the 4th pick and how it behaves, you will notice these black floating horizontal lines above the ground fabric, and these floating picks only intersect with the J letter monogram and keep floating all the way to the right-hand side until the next rapport. These floating picks are later trimmed away from the fabric. Section B ends at the 520th pick, and the design continues with Section A again, starting from the 521st pick and ending at the 800th pick. What is the importance of the regulator hook? The 4th pick forms the J monogram design on the fabric, and it is backed with the regulator on the 24th hook. With the help of the regulator hook, we can stop the unrolling motion of the warp beam for certain loom degrees and insert multiple weft picks during that phase. During the normal weaving process, the warp beam unrolls at a certain speed, relevant to the weft density which has been defined on the rapier looms console. But when the let-off motion is stopped by the regulator hook for certain picks, you can insert a couple of more picks to the same space which is reserved for just one pick. That increases the weft density for these specific areas, which become denser and overpopulated when you compare with other zones. That's why we do have the term ground weft density and the average weft density. We will be covering these topics in the next video. Thanks for watching.